key of D minor here, and in the D minor blues scale, the notes are D, F, G up on the 5th fret of that D string, and A flat, A, still on the 4th string. Now I'm on the 3rd string to C. I'm going to go back down. I can play both the open D string and the open A string because they're both in the scale. And also the open G. Notice I'm just letting my slide guide finger work here. Still on that 4th string from A flat, G down to F, and then D. Open A on the 5th string, C and D. And on the 5th string, 6th string, G, A flat, G, and F. I want Jesus to go with me. I want Jesus to go with me all along my pilgrim journey. I want Jesus to go with me. The chords are, in this song, D minor and A. And then F. I can play it down here in the 1st position, or I can play it up there at the bar 5. D, F, G minor, and A. Just 4 chords. In my trials, oh Lord, comfort me. In my trials, Lord, comfort me. When my heart is almost breaking, I want Jesus to comfort me. All the way up to 2nd position now. Here's the blue note. The 2nd string up in the 2nd position. Fun riff up here. I'm up 10th fret, up in the 3rd position now, on the 6th string. position. I'm going to put it at the 10th fret. On the 4th string now, 10, 10, 12, back to 10, 12, 11, 10, 13th fret on that F. I'm on the 6th string. I'm bending that, I'm on the G string now, bending that G up to A flat. When I'm in trouble, Lord, stay with me. Yeah, when I'm in trouble, Lord, stay with me. When my head is bowed in sorrow, I want Jesus to stay with me. All right, Guitar Bobby, thanks for watching. Great piece of blues gospel music there. And here's this is the blues scale for D minor all the way up to the 12th fret. Just take a screenshot of that. Peace.